How to put dark mode on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp and click Settings in the lower right corner of the screen. And supposedly, a dark mode option should be there. But if it's not, maybe it is not available to you just yet. So what we can do is go to your phone settings and scroll down until you see display and brightness. Once you have selected that, you will now see a light and dark mode on your phone and simply select dark. This should put your phone into dark mode and also your WhatsApp. Once you enable that, go to your WhatsApp and as you can see, it became dark mode here too. You can also turn it back if you want anytime. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.